through ages, agriculture has been the backbone of India. Around 70% of the Indian population is dependent on farming for their livelihood. As agricultural land is shrinking due to urbanization, the biggest challenge will be to feed the rapid growing population. Kisancraft Limited, headquartered at Bangalore, India, is at the service of farmers since 2005. Our long association and close working with dealers over the years has generated a philosophy that quality equipment is key to success in farming. Kisancraft is the most reputed and trusted ISO 9001-2015 certified company in the farm machinery segment. The company was founded by Mr. Ravindra Agrawal. Since 2005, Kisancraft has nurtured over 370 employees.
I started Kisancraft in 2005 to serve small and marginal farmers. We have equipment for every segment of agricultural activity for small farmers, from land preparation, sowing, crop management, harvesting, and post-harvesting. We serve our farmers through Pan-India dealer network, and now we have also started R&D division with highly qualified team of scientists and engineers.
We at Kisancraft currently deal in two product brands, namely Farmboy and Kisancraft. Farmboy is an economical series brand which provides good value for money for our farmers. Kisancraft is a premium brand which is manufactured as per BIS ISI compliant standards at a factory in Bangalore. At Kisancraft, we have more than 3,000 dealers pan-India. We also export to Nepal and Sri Lanka. Our products have given rise to thousands of village-level entrepreneurs.
The head office is located in Bangalore, and our distribution network holds strong with 16 regional offices spread across India. We have 2 factories, 12 regional warehouses, and a 125,000 square feet central warehouse in Bangalore.
At Kisancraft, we have more than 100 employees in our sales team. We focus on selling our product by creating awareness among the farmer. Here, we sell our product only through the dealers. Our demonstration and effort in exhibition make us the #1 company in India.
Kisancraft strongly believes in providing good after-sales service. A dedicated team of technicians is available to resolve the issues the customer has. 15,000 plus spare parts are stocked in all branches for all products, which makes their availability quite easy and convenient. As the farmland size and water resources are limited, to meet the requirements of growing population, Kisancraft has established an agriculture research and development lab with a team of highly qualified people from renowned agricultural universities. We have also set up other laboratories like molecular biology lab, tissue culture lab, and seed testing lab for development and testing of our new seed varieties.
Our investment in the R&D sector of Kisancraft is accounted for aerobic rice. We have licensed an aerobic rice variety called KK Akshat A1, which is grown in 15 states across all agroclimatic zones of our country. We are promoting aerobic rice because it is environmental friendly, it saves water, and it has better yield.
The dedicated customer support team handles all the product and service related enquiries received on the Kisancraft website, social media, and by direct calls. We are really excited to share Kisancraft's 100 crore project in Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. Spread across 50 acres, the Nellore office is aimed at expansion of our manufacturing unit and research and development of machinery and seeds. We are looking forward to improve testing of our products under development prior to their launch. Kisancraft will be providing training to farmers and mechanics, while we also build a central service center for repairs and warranty and a spacious and more professional warehouse. Kisancraft is actively involved in conducting corporate social responsibility activities. As a part of this, we at Kisancraft have organized voluntary blood donation camps. We have provided computers and other amenities to the local school children and offered training for computer teachers of these schools through an NGO called Computer Shiksha. Apart from these, Kisancraft has sponsored for children's world-class education through an NGO called Crystal House, and also donated to an NGO called Mahanandi Goloka for Desi cow breed conservation.
We at KisanCraft believe in providing caring environment to our employees, dealers and vendors. We organize several family events and provide them multiple benefits for their welfare. We are also proud to have significant number of women in our workforce.
With 4,000 dealers pan-India, KisanCraft takes it as a prime duty to improve the conditions of Indian farming and farmers. We are known to provide good value for money, and we promise to continuously improve and add new products to fulfill the needs of our farmers. KisanCraft.